So a softwall room is basically a framework that's set up, and then it has a ceiling system, obviously, with the HEPA filters, lights, and ceiling tiles. And then on the sidewall, it's a vinyl curtain, a soft, pliable curtain that's attached to the framework all the way around. They can be added onto or taken away from as your business changes. And it's a lot easier to do that than if you have a hard wall construction that's been stick built, for instance, and is unable to move.
They're aluminum, they're lightweight yet extremely strong, and we provide installation. In addition to that, you can do DIY, and that's where we provide complete diagram and assembly process for each room. And we truly believe that our customers can have a lot of success with that.
There should be no drilling or cutting of any of the material. It'll go together much like an erector set.
Or what Flow stands for is constantly in motion. Our strategy, our goal is to really understand our customers, understand exactly what their needs are, what they need to control, how they need to control it, what their process is. The solution needs to be custom tailored, and that's what we do, and that's really what sets us apart.